Hi everyone, my name is Peyton Romanek, and today I'll be talking about AI integration in the modern web development through the lens of dead internet theory. So kind of really interested in dead internet theory, and when I heard about it, it sounded like a conspiracy or something. But the more I looked into it, the more I actually realized it raises a lot of ethical questions and concerns about how much AI has become a part of the modern internet today. So today I'll explain how AI is integrated into websites and why it's so popular and how it connects this ongoing debate. So why AI integration matters in the dead internet theory. So it's important to understand the dead internet theory because the theory suggests that a growing amount of the internet is made up of bots and AI-generated content instead of real human activity. Essentially, it concerns itself with AIs basically talking to each other with no real human interactivity. While there is no evidence proving the theory is true, it raises an interesting question because AI has become one of the biggest trends of modern web development. Today, AI does power many of the websites and apps that we use every day, including ChatGPT, Google Search, Amazon recommendations, and customer support chatbots. According to the Stanford HAI, or the HAI Stanford, 78% of organizations now at least use AI in one business function, so it's showing how quickly AI has been adopted. So before we can understand why people talk about the dead internet theory, we actually need to understand how AI is actually integrated into modern websites. So this diagram kind of wanted to show what happens behind the scenes when someone interacts with an AI-powered website. First, the user is just going to submit a request, such as a chatbot asking a chatbot a question. The website then sends through an API, which acts like a bridge between the website and the AI model. Then the AI processes the request, generates a response, and sends it back to the IPA to the website where it's displayed by the user. So kind of an overview of how AI works behind the scenes at a lot of these websites and web applications. So some of the biggest features of AI in web development includes personal recommendations, AI chatbots, AI-powered search, and automated content generation. So we already see these everywhere. Amazon recommends products based on our browsing history. Google Search now provides AI-generated summaries through AI overviews, and ChatGPT helps users with writing, coding, and research. Well, TikTok uses AI to recommend videos based on their behavior. So these examples show kind of how AI has become part of everyday web experiences. AI has made websites faster, smarter, and more personalized. Businesses use it to automate customer support, improve efficiency, and provide better user experiences. However, AI also raises new challenges. As AI-generated content becomes more common, it's becoming harder to tell what's created by a person and what's created by AI. Fake reviews, AI-generated articles, and automated social media accounts all contribute to concerns about authenticity online. These are one of the reasons why discussions like the dead internet theory have become so popular. The image on this slide compares human-generated content with AI-generated content. Human-created content often comes from personal experiences, creativity, and individual perspectives, while AI-generated content is created by recognizing patterns from massive amounts of existing data. So AI can produce content much faster at a much larger scale, but it also makes it harder to tell whether something online was written by a real person or generated by AI. This is where the dead internet theory comes into conversation, as AI-generated articles, product reviews, and social media posts become more common. So some people really do question how much of the internet is still driven by real human interaction. Whether or not the theory is true, it highlights an important challenge for web developers using AI while maintaining trust and authenticity online. And to wrap everything up, IA integration is transforming modern web development. It improves efficiency, personalization, and accessibility while creating new opportunities for businesses and users. At the same time, however, developers need to think about transparency and trust as AI becomes more common online. Whether or not dead internet theory is true, it encourages us to think about an important question. As AI becomes more capable, how do we maintain an internet that people can trust? Thank you. Thank you, and here are my citations as well.